Hello students, welcome back. How are you? Hoping you're all well. We have left with this question. Okay, the first part we have done the inner curved surface area with the help of simple formula. It was calculated to be 968. The second part, outer curved surface of area, I have left with the calculation and I hope you will be having with this answer 1064.8. Okay, the third part of the question was the total surface area. Now, what does that mean, total surface area? Remember, we were having this question, okay, that we were having that cylinder, okay, and the diameter of this was given 4.4, right, and by that we calculated that radius of this is 2.2 centimeter, right, and there was another inner diameter. So, if we are talking about this inner diameter, the inner diameter was 2 centimeters, right? Okay. So, when we calculate the calculated the inner surface area of this inner cylinder, then we used this 2 centimeter as radius, and when we talked about the outer outer cylinder, then we took this 2.2 centimeter as its radius, okay, and we calculated the inner surface area and the outer surface area. Now, the total surface area, what does that mean? First, this surface, the outer surface here, okay, and then the second one, which is inner surface area, inner curved surface area, this complete surface area, the inner one, right? Okay, then one thing is left here. This portion you can see, the green one. This part is remaining for the total surface area. I repeat, the total surface area. Okay. Similarly, at the bottom, we'll be having the same area here also, the top area and the bottom area. Okay. Now, if we look from the top to the cylinder, how will it look like? It will look like something like this. This outer circle and this inner circle. This outer circle is having a radius of 2.2 centimeters and the inner circle is having 2 centimeter radius, right? And now we have to calculate this area and we have to double it. Why double it? Because we are having the same area on the top and the bottom as well. Understood? Okay. Now, so this is the outer one here. And the inner one. This is the 2 centimeter and the 2.2 centimeters. Now, for the third number, which is total surface area, that will be equals to inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus this 2 multiplied by area enclosed by two circles. Let's suppose this is your R1 and this is your R2. Okay. Now, this is what this complete area is, pi r1, pi r2 square. Okay. And this complete area is what? Pi r2 square. And you will be subtracting because this is hollow part, this is hollow part. So, you will be subtracting this particular area from it. And this area is what? this is 2 centimeter, which is equals to R1. So, we will be subtracting pi R1 square. Okay, so we are calculating it like this. Area enclosed is equals to pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. Okay, that is going to be pi R2 square minus R1 square. Now, this formula is clear to you guys. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Now, pi R2 square minus R1 square, which is area enclosed by the circle. That will be 22 by 7. R2 is 2.2 whole square, R1 is 2 whole square. Okay, calculate it. It's going to be 22 by 7 multiplied by 2.2 whole square. Now, 22, that will be 4, 4, 4, 4. So, 484, right? So, that will be 484, or you can say simply 4.84. Okay, minus 4. That is going to be 0.84. Okay, now cut it by 100. So, that will be 1 time, 1 remaining, 2 time. So, this is here 22 multiplied by 12 divided by 100. Is that so? Okay. So, calculate it. 12, 22, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 6, 4. Okay. So, you will be having 264 by 100, which will give you 2.64. Okay. What? Centimeter squares. So, this area is equals to 2.264, and all the calculation, the area enclosed is 2 multiplied by this. Why 2 multiply? Because we are having the same thing in the top and the bottom. So, simply you can multiply this by 2 and get the answer, which is equals to 8 here, 12, 2, to the 4, 5. Okay, 5.28 centimeter square. 5.28 centimeter square. Okay. So, this is 5.28 centimeter square plus inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. That means your this answer plus this answer plus this answer will give you the total surface area. Now, do the addition by your own. Okay. So, this is the method to solve this question. Let's move to the next question of ours, which is the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 meter. We're talking about a roller here. What does a roller do? It rotates. Okay, it rolls, right? Okay. So, I am having a cup here, something like this. Okay, so maybe you can assume this Nescafe cup as a roller. Okay, so if it's a roller, it will roll like this. Okay, it will roll like this. Okay, now the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 meter. Okay, first let me make a roller. Okay. So, its diameter is this, it is 84 centimeters and the length is 180 meter. Now, what is the length of this roller is 120 20 centimeter. This is 120 centimeter. So this is nothing but the height h of a right circular cylinder, and this is the diameter. Okay, so diameter by diameter, you can say you can just calculate the radius. Okay, so what's happening? It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over the level playground. Find the area of the playground in meter squares. It is given in centimeters. It is given in centimeter. It have been asked us answers in meter square. First, very most important step, always look what is given in units to you guys. Okay, so first thing come first. This in meters will be 1.20 meters and this will be 0.84 meters. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now we have to find out the area of playground. What happened now? This was the roller. Okay. It was having this length equals to 120 centimeter. It's not 120 centimeter, but you just have to assume that. Okay. And this diameter is 84 centimeters. Okay, so 0.84 meters. Now it is rolling over a ground. The total area of the ground is what? Is equals to how far it will roll. It is rolling for complete 500 revolution. Now if I talk about the curved surface area, this curved surface area, seeing the back and the front. Okay, this complete area. What is this? This complete area is what? Which is rolling over the ground. This is basically the curved surface area of this cylinder. Let us assume this is the diameter is constant throughout. Okay. Okay. So basically we have to find out the curved surface area. What is our procedure? We'll be finding out the curved surface area. Okay. And this curved surface area, how many times? 500 times it's revolving. It takes 500 complete revolution. So curved surface area multiplied by 500. Okay. So we can just find out the area because it is the area that is covered and it covered complete playground. Okay. So the area of the complete background is nothing but the number of revolution multiplied by the curved surface area of this roller, right? Understood with this roller? Okay, so just leave it now. Okay. Okay, the diameter, okay, we have asked about to find area of the playground. Okay, area of the playground. Now, area of the playground. Area of playground is equals to curved surface area multiply by number of revolution, which is equals to curved surface area is 2 pi RH multiply by 500. Now 2 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, R is what? Is given 0.84 meter, but radius is what? The half of it. So 0.42 multiply by R and H. H is 120. So this is 120 here. Multiply by 500. Now do the calculations. So 20 cancel. 6 times. Okay. So that will be 44. Okay, 44 here, then here 72, 72 0 multiply by 5. Okay. Now again have these two. 720 multiply by 20 0 multiply by this. Okay, that's going to be, this is 1.20, right? 1.20 here, and if it's 1.20 we calculated these two, so that will be here, mark here. So this is basically 44 multiply by 5 multiply by 7.20. Okay, this will be 7.2 multiply by 22, right? Now do the calculation. 7.2 or simply 7.72 by 22, 4, 14, 144, 4, 8, 5, 1. So the answer will be 1584, right, in meter squares. Understood? Okay. Okay, so this will be your answer. Note it. Next question. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. The radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Find its height. Okay. So what is given to us? That curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. First draw the diagram here. Okay. What is given to you guys? The curved surface area, which is equals to 2 pi RH, is equals to given 4.4 meter square. Simple. Okay. The radius of the base is 0.7. This is 0.7 what? Meters. This is meter, this is meter. Okay, no problem we are having. And the radius is given, or the diameter? The radius is given. Okay. R equals to 0.7 meters. Okay. Find its height. This we have to find. We have to find. So by this we can say that 2 pi RH equals to 4.4 meter square, and here 2 is 2, pi is 22 by 7, R is 0.7, H is H, and 4.4 meter square. You can further calculate it by like this. So you'll be getting this. Okay, so you'll be getting this H equals to 44 here, right? And this will go down there, 22 multiply by 2. Okay, so that will be 44 by 44, which is equals to 1 watt meter is the answer. Have a look again. 2 pi RH. Okay. After that, we'll be calculating the values as 4.4, which is the curved surface area. 2 pi RH equals 4.4 meters square. R equals to given 0.7, right? Okay, so we'll be just doing 22 by 7, then 0.7, here 10. Okay, H equals to 4.4, here 10, cut, 7 cut. Okay, 44, H equals to 44. This is 1. So that will be your answer. Okay, so simple. Now you can put it in the language. Now the inner diameter of the right circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. We are having a well here. Okay, it's time to have a well. Okay, so we were having a well here. So this is something like we look when we talk about a well. So this is our well. Okay, and it will be having some inner boundary too. So the inner diameter of the curved well is 3.5 meter. diameter is given 3.5 meters and it is 10 meter deep. 10 meter deep. Find inner curved surface area. If inner curved surface area has been asked to you guys, so inner curved surface area will be equals to what? Inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area will be equals to 2 pi r h. Okay, that will be equals to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by the radius r, which is by 2, multiply by h, which is 10. Okay, now calculate it. 5 times cut. How many times? 11, 22. So that will be 22 meter square. Okay. The cost of plastering curved surface area is rate 40 per meter square. So total cost will be what? Now you know. How will you multiply? How will you calculate the total cost? Total cost will be curved surface area multiply by per meter square rate, which is 22 multiplied by the given rate, which is 40. Okay, that is 880 rupees. Understood? Okay, so these are the questions for today. Okay, we are going to see this next question. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. What is of our use is this word radiating surface. This radiating surface, if we focus on it, we understand that particular what area it's talking about, the total surface area or the curved surface area. You have to just consider that. Okay, in the word problem, the only thing is this, that by reading the question carefully, you can decide whether it's asking about the total surface area or the curved surface area, because in the questions it directly, first thing, it directly gives you the term like find out the curved surface area or the total surface area, but sometimes what happens, it only give some hints that whether it's a curved surface or whether it's a total surface, and you have to find it all on. Okay, so do consider some word problems here, students. Use some sheets also of questions, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.